Why do so many people talk about owning rental property? It seems like everywhere you turn, someone is sharing their story about buying a rental house or dreaming of becoming a landlord. But what's really behind all the excitement? It's not just about having a place to live. It's about building wealth and creating new opportunities for your future. Rental properties are often seen as a stepping stone to financial freedom. Rental properties can provide steady monthly income, called cash flow, as tenants pay rent that covers your expenses and leaves you a profit. This means you can earn money each month, even if you have a regular job or other commitments. Over time, your property can increase in value. This is called appreciation. As neighborhoods improve and demand for housing grows, your investment could become even more valuable. Plus, as tenants pay down your mortgage, your ownership stake or equity grows. This means you're building wealth automatically, month after month, without having to do much extra work. There are also tax benefits, making your investment even more rewarding. You might be able to deduct expenses, claim depreciation, and keep more of your hard-earned money at tax time. Rental properties offer a unique mix of immediate income and long-term growth. Few investments let you earn cash now, while also building a nest egg for the future. It's a business you can start on the side and grow into a major source of security. Many people begin with just one property and, over time, expand into a portfolio that supports their lifestyle. You're not just buying a building, you're investing in a system that can work for you, even while you sleep. With the right planning, your rental property can generate passive income and help you reach your financial goals. That's why rental properties remain a classic path to the American dream, offering stability, opportunity, and the chance to build a legacy for generations to come. Rental properties come in many flavors, offering a wide array of opportunities for investors and home seekers alike. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your portfolio, there's truly something for everyone in the world of real estate. Each property type comes with its own unique set of pros and cons, so it's important to weigh your options carefully before making a decision. Single-family homes are often the simplest to manage. They're a great starting point for new investors, offering a straightforward experience with fewer tenants and less complexity. You'll have more control over the property and can build confidence as you learn the ropes. Duplexes, triplexes, and quadplexes, on the other hand, let you live in one unit while renting out the others, a strategy known as house hacking. This can help offset your living expenses and introduce you to property management with built-in support. Small apartment buildings offer even more units and the potential for higher income. However, they do require more hands-on management, from handling multiple tenants to maintaining common areas and addressing repairs. Condos are a low-maintenance option since the Homeowners Association, or HOA, takes care of exterior repairs and shared spaces. But be sure to review the HOA rules, as some have restrictions on renting out your unit or may charge extra fees. Each property type fits different budgets and lifestyles, so you can find something that matches your financial situation and personal preferences. The right choice depends on how hands-on you want to be, your willingness to take on responsibility, and your long-term financial goals. Some people prefer a more passive investment, while others enjoy being actively involved. Start with what feels manageable for you, and as you gain experience and confidence, you can always scale up to larger or more complex properties. Real estate investing is a journey, and you can grow at your own pace. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, just the best fit for your unique situation, goals, and comfort level. So, take your time, explore your options, and pick the property that matches your vision for the future. The perfect rental property is out there waiting for you to discover it. Before you shop for properties, get your finances in order, save for a down payment, aim for at least 20% of the purchase price, check your credit score. A higher score means better loan terms, research neighborhoods with growing populations and strong job markets. Build an emergency fund to cover repairs or vacancies. 3 to 6 months of expenses is a good rule. Preparation is key. Solid savings, good credit, and market knowledge make investing less risky. The more groundwork you do now, the smoother your journey will be. Start strong, and you'll be ready for the next step. With your finances set, it's time to find the right property. Work with an investor-friendly real estate agent who knows the local market. Use online tools to track listings and set alerts for your target neighborhoods. Don't overlook fixer-uppers. Cosmetic updates can boost value and rental appeal. Always get a thorough inspection to avoid costly surprises. Move quickly when you find a good deal. Pre-approval gives you an edge. Your agent will help you negotiate and submit offers. Stay focused on your investment goals and stick to your numbers. The right property is out there. Be patient and persistent. Every search brings you closer to your first investment. Found a property you like? Time to crunch the numbers. Estimate your monthly rent and subtract all expenses: mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs, and vacancy savings. Positive cash flow, money left over each month, is your goal. Compare similar rentals in the area to set realistic expectations. Calculate your cash-on-cash return annual cash flow divided by your total investment. This helps you compare deals and pick the best one for your money. If the numbers don't work, move on. Never force a deal. Let the math guide your decisions, not emotions. Smart analysis now prevents headaches later. The best investments are the ones that make sense on paper and in practice. Congratulations, you're officially a landlord. This is a big milestone, and it comes with a lot of new responsibilities, but also plenty of opportunities to grow and succeed. Your first big task is to find and keep great tenants. This means screening applicants carefully. Look at their credit history, run background checks, verify income, and always check references. Taking the time to do this right helps you avoid headaches down the road. Good tenants pay rent on time, take care of your property, and communicate openly. Building a positive relationship with them can make your job much easier. It's also crucial to know the laws that apply to you, like fair housing rules, how to handle security deposits, and local landlord-tenant regulations. Staying informed protects both you and your tenants. Remember, you're responsible for providing a safe, livable home. That means keeping up with repairs, regular maintenance, and making sure everything meets safety standards. Stay organized. Keep detailed records of payments, repairs, and all communications. Good documentation can save you time and trouble if issues ever arise. If managing everything yourself feels overwhelming, consider hiring a property manager. They can take care of marketing your property, screening tenants, collecting rent, and handling day-to-day issues, as well as coordinating repairs and maintenance for a fee. This can be a smart investment, especially if you have multiple properties or a busy schedule. A good property manager can save you time, reduce stress, and help your rental business run smoothly, especially if you live far away or have other commitments. Whether you choose to self-manage or hire help, always treat your rental like a real business. Set clear goals, track your finances, and make decisions with your long-term success in mind. Clear communication and fair, consistent policies are the foundation of strong landlord-tenant relationships. When everyone knows what to expect, things go much more smoothly. The right systems, like checklists, reminders, and digital tools, help your investment run efficiently and keep you on top of important tasks. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek advice from other landlords, professionals, or local organizations. Success in real estate is often a team effort, and learning from others can make a big difference. With the right approach, mindset, and support, being a landlord can be both rewarding and manageable, helping you build wealth and provide quality homes for others. You've learned the basics, now it's time to take action. Real estate investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a step-by-step process anyone can follow. Start small, keep learning, and don't let fear hold you back. Every investor makes mistakes. What matters is learning and moving forward. Imagine the freedom and security your first rent check brings. Your future is built on the smart choices you make today. Ready to get started? Here's your checklist. Save for your down payment and emergency fund. Check and improve your credit score. Research neighborhoods and rental markets. Get pre-approved for a loan and find an investor-friendly agent. Practice analyzing deals, and when you find a good one, take action.